Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to cover the Bosu ball. What the? I hate when you do that. Get out of here. Oops, I'm sorry. Don't go too far. I still need you. Okay, where was I again? Oh yeah, the Bosu. The Bosu stands for both sides up, and it's good for working the muscles, coordination, balance, and so on. In today's video, I'm not going to cover a follow along. However, if you do want to follow along exercise routine, including the Bosu, so just write in the comment box below, and I will most likely do one of those. However, today's just a few exercises to keep you busy that you could do as a workout by itself, or to incorporate with weight training and cardio to just utilize a lot of different muscles. Keep things interesting and that kind of thing. So I won't waste any more of your time. Let's get started and I'll show you a handful of those exercises. Now, another important thing when it comes to using the Bosu is you definitely want to have it properly inflated. Not with too much air, and of course not underinflated. But also, definitely if you're going to be jumping on it, you want to have it on a non-skid surface so it doesn't slip away and potentially injure yourself. That sounds kind of self-explanatory, but I've been doing this for a long time. I've seen a lot of crazy things happen, and yeah. Exactly. Alright, thanks for being here for the Bosu workout. Oh yes, thank you, Bosu. I just call him Bosu, I don't name him. Anyway, he was very helpful, so hope you enjoyed it. Once again, put in the comment box below if you have any comments, any suggestions for future videos that you would like to see. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. That really helps my channel. I know some people just zip right through it, but whether it's me or anybody else that you like that does YouTube videos, it does help us out if you like and subscribe. So don't be shy, please do so. And I've enjoyed doing this quick workout for you guys. So I'll see you again soon. All right, So don't forget to watch some of the other videos and enjoy those as well. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.